everyone, my name is Victoria. Welcome to my studio. For the last few days, guys, I received a few messages for you asking me to help you with writing a good prompt in Adobe Firefly. So guys, I decided to jump in and record a very short video for you. Let's rock and roll. First of all, I have opened Adobe Firefly, firefly.adobe.com, and we will start with a very simple and short prompt. A beautiful landscape, just like that, nothing too complicated, a beautiful landscape, and I will click on generate. Now Firefly will analyze my prompt and will generate 4 images based on my prompt. By the way, Firefly by default generate images in square aspect ratio. So these are 4 images Firefly generated for me. They are very simple, very generic images. Could I complain? No. Why? Because I didn't give Firefly enough information of my vision to work with. We will fix it. Let's change our prompt. A beautiful landscape at sunset with, warm golden light, just like that. So I expanded my prompt. I gave Firefly more information about my vision, and now I will click on generate. Now Firefly will analyze what I added to my prompt and will generate 4 images, 4 variations of images based on my prompt. Look at this. Now you have as well a beautiful landscape at sunset, warm golden light. Look at this. And again, I gave Firefly a little bit more information, but also I gave Firefly freedom of creating bringing my vision to life in art style or in a photo style. Let's work with it. First of all, I will switch aspect ratio to landscape. After that, I will scroll Firefly workspace up, and here, guys, we have effects. I will click on movements and I will specify impressionism. So I'm letting Firefly know that Firefly, I want you to generate a beautiful landscape at sunset, warm golden light, but in impressionistic style of painting. To be sure that Firefly will generate art, not photo, I will scroll this workspace up and I will disable auto future. Now Firefly for sure will generate 4 variations in art type. After I specified everything, I will click on generate. You see that Firefly right away changed aspect ratio to landscape because we specified landscape aspect ratio. And look at this. Firefly generates 4 variations of images based on our prompt and all our extra specifications, such as art style and impressionism style of painting. Look at this. Beautiful. Let's talk about another example. Let's clean up our prompt and I will type a futuristic city, just like that. By the way, while you're typing, Firefly suggests prompt based on what you are typing. If you like any of those suggestions, feel free to use it. So my current prompt is very simple, a futuristic city. When you're typing new prompt, Firefly enabling auto type, and I'm okay with that. After I double check my prompt, I will click on generate. Again, my prompt is very basic. I'm giving Firefly freedom of creating any futuristic city Firefly thinks I would like to see. Let's see. See, simple, very simple, because my prompt is super simple. What I will do now, I will add a futuristic city, night, low light, and I will click on generate. Now Firefly has more information to work with, and Firefly will take into consideration my extended prompt and will generate 4 images of futuristic city at night with a low light. Let's go deeper. I will add neon lights. A futuristic city, night, low light, neon lights, and I will click on generate. Look at this. Firefly again analyzing my prompt, analyzing all specification, all details of my vision, and generated 4 images based on all those specifications. Neon light, neon light. Look at this. Just like that. If you would like to see more variations based on the same prompt, simply click on generate, and Firefly will generate extra 4 images, extra 4 variations based on the same prompt. Now, what I would like to do, guys, I would like to show you something. Let's talk about this. Example, think about this. I'm going to the store and I'm asking you, do you want anything from the store? And you will say, yes, Victoria, please bring me some apples. So I will go to the store because you asked me to buy some apples. And what I will see in the store, that store has so many different apples, red, green, yellow, large, small, and so on and so on. You didn't give me enough information about what type of apple you would like to see. So you would like me to bring. So I will buy and I will bring apples based on what I like, which apple I like. So I will bring you apples based on my taste. But if you will tell me, yes, Victoria, please bring me some green apple, just let's add green. Now I have clear direction from you. You want me to bring green apple for you. I will go to the store, and store has different types of apple, but I know you want specific apple. You want green apples, and I will bring green apples for you. Same with Firefly. Let's generate pastel background for my digital workflow. I typed pastel background and I will click on generate. Yes, Firefly letting me know that this prompt is super short and Firefly doesn't have enough information about my vision. So Firefly will generate pastel background based on its own decision. Look at these backgrounds. Not too bad, right? But let's think about this. If you will look at the left side of your screen, you will see this workspace composition. And here we have a reference composition. You can upload your own reference image. If you like, I will record a specific tutorial about it. Just let me know. But today what we will do, we will click on Browse Gallery and we will use default Firefly library with composition reference. I will click on this one and this will be our reference for composition. Also, I will ask Firefly, Firefly, please stay close to the reference to 100%. So I will move this slider all the way to the right. I will scroll this workspace up, and here we have style session. Again, you can use your own style reference. Again, if you like, I will record some specific tutorial about this. Just let me know. And once again, today we will use default Firefly library with a style reference. Click on it, and here we have acrylic and oil. I will click on this acrylic and oil reference, style reference. And also I will ask Firefly, I want visual density to 100% and strength to 100% as well. After I specified everything, I'm not changing my prompt. I just added style reference and a composition reference, and I will click on generate. Firefly will analyze my prompt, will analyze my style reference and composition reference, and will generate 4 variations based on all those aspects. Look at this. Here is our composition reference, and all those brush strokes Firefly generated based on our style reference. Look at this, how beautiful it is. So guys, let's talk about this. Short prompt, as bad as ultra super complicated prompt, they're bad in equal intensity. Why? Because short prompt not giving enough information to Firefly to work with. Very complicated prompt, messing up with AI brain. So Firefly doesn't know exactly what you want, because this prompt is super complicated with a lot of unnecessary details in it. Conclusion: make your prompt clear enough with all instructions of your vision, so Firefly will have enough information about your vision to generate images as close to your vision as possible, and Firefly can do it based on your prompt. So guys, this is what I wanted to share with you today. Please generate something, use your own unique prompt, and share with me your generations. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for all your support, and I will see you later. Bye guys.